So here's the fuel doctor that takes away the sulfur, all the carbon buildup that's going to come into your car from the dirty fuel. So you do 1 milliliter, 1 milliliter to every litre. So this is 80 litre vehicle. So you do 80 milliliters total. It's got the safety cap on, you take it off so. And then with a funnel, put it in like so. And then you can push this, make it go up. Look. So what's that read? That reads 25, so that'll be 30 mil there. So I'll do 30 mil. So this should be added before filling up so it mixes through properly, and recommend over this 60-day period of dirty fuel. This will keep your injectors clean and dissolve any carbon buildup over this period. 60 mil. And we'll do another 20. So it doesn't matter if it's a little bit more. That's perfect. Do another 20 mil. So that's 80 mil in total. There you go, fuel doctor. So you can pick this up from Amazon and you just have to click on the link below. So thanks for joining me.